The narrative of women, not only in the military, but in our nation's history and in the world, has not been really talked about. Each one of us has a different story to tell. Each one of us has different experiences in life. National Women's History Month allows us to share the narrative even more. It gives us a focus of successes and impact that women have had, not just in the military, not just our nation, but the world as a whole. As we've gone forward, we've been able to share the impact of women in our society. Being the group commander here, the first one in 15 years as a female, it's humbling. When I joined the military in 1990, you don't often see a lot of women in the maintenance field. I was lucky in that I had very good trainers, I had very good supervisors, and they made sure that I was competent and that I could launch, recover, and fix a jet. Didn't matter if I was a girl or a boy, I was an airman first. We are becoming a more diverse workforce. What we tolerated then, we do not tolerate now, not only in society, but also in the military. As a group commander, my one job is to break down any barriers that will impede the success of my units. It's crucial that we bring in people that have different ideas than we do, because the mission of defending this nation against all enemies, foreign and domestic, is not just for a small set of people. It is for the entire nation, and we need to be opening to that. That's what makes the Air Force Reserve Command so successful, is that we want to make sure that everybody has an opportunity to grow. But I believe in 2023, there is nothing that can hold back anybody, male, female, transgender. We are ready to embrace and to move forward to protect our nation.